Okay, so now we want to start working on the spikes on his back. So what we really want to do is we want to isolate things. So we want to turn off everything we don't need. Mesh 6 is the one that we're going to work with first. So we're going to turn everything else off. And then that just leaves that. Now, right now, we're in a textured view, and editing and modeling in that textured view is not going to work for us. So what we really want to do is we want to bring this in as an image plane and set it as the background. That way we can model on top of it and we don't have to worry about anything. It'll just be a lot simpler. So to do that, we're going to hit the X up here to go into the side view. And we're going to hit Shift A. And another way you can do it is you can go Add Image. And then we want to throw a background image in there. And then we know by looking here, it's the OGHRE1. So we're going to find that and we're going to load that image. So that image is going to come in, and now we can move it. We can rotate it. And we can scale it. So basically what we're trying to do is we're trying to move it into position. Let's see. It doesn't have to be exact because we can always take our model and manipulate it later. But we just want to kind of get it close. And then once we get it close, then we can turn this off. So now we have this background image. Now, another thing is we don't want, when we're modeling, we don't want to be able to select that background image. So if we come up here to the filters and we click that, you'll notice there's a button right here, the second one over, which makes the object selectable or not selectable. If we turn that on, now what we can do is we can come to this empty and we can uncheck that. So if we uncheck that, no matter what we do now, you can't select it. So in the next video, we're going to actually start modeling out this back spike. Thank you.